Hey guys, welcome back to Mom and Twin Boys channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And today's video will be doing a Amazon unboxing and a Shein. Just a few stuff from Shein that I bought, nothing much. And these stuff I bought a while now, but I wanted to do an unboxing, but I didn't get the time to. So now that I have the time, I'm going to move on with my unboxing and get my unboxing done. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to go with my Amazon packages, and then I'll go with the Shein package. So I open this small box. Where is it? Okay, make sure I have this. So sharp. Okay, so this is what I bought from Amazon. Well, I was on TikTok scrolling and I saw this, not her, but I saw this lady advertising this brand cologne, and she was saying it's at a reasonable cost and it smells so good and it lasts pretty long. So I was like, why not try it? I think I wonder if one of the Array by cologne, I don't know, but this is Latafa. Something like that. And I was like, let me try it. It was $17 on Amazon, so it's not bad because I was planning to buy one of the those ones that they always advertise on YouTube. It's for $29, I think, or $40. But I really want to get one of those dossier. I want dossier or dossier or something like that. I can't pronounce it properly, but I was like, I want to try one of those. So I'm going to get one and try it because I'm running out of cologne. I had a few, but now I'm running out, so I have to buy myself because I'm not getting any. Okay, let's see. Pen. Where do you know? Yeah. Boxing, the packaging is nice. I like it. The box look big. Me, I wonder if the cologne this big. The cologne this big because the box look really huge. Okay, it's a nice size. It is a nice size. So this is it. I'm loving it. Sasha. It smells good, but I wonder if it's my kind of vibe. But it smells good. Spray it, blow. It smells good, but I don't know if I'm my kind of. Honestly, it smells really good. Look like if you let it like blow off, the first spray like it not catch me, but when it blow off, like I'm like, yeah. Yeah. It's more grown. It's a grown girl kind of cologne. Yeah, it's not a young girl cologne, but it's nice. It's really nice. It's really nice. I'm loving it. I smell it, you know. No man. And also this nightgown, guys, I got it from Shein. So I'm going to do this one in another unboxing, but I had this one on, so I was like, if I had show this one. let's get into this. Alright, way me I put this? No, wrong way me I put it. Wrong way me I put it. This thing is so sharp. Okay. So this is another Amazon package. So I got this. It's a dye shampoo. As I have some gray right here, so, and here, so, and honestly, well, I saw this on TikTok again, and I see where they use it. I read up a little bit on it. They were saying that it's best if you are going to use this, you make sure that you have your normal shampoo that you usually use to wash your hair, because it has a scent. It has a scent that's not so pleasant. So hey, the cologne smell good now that it wear off, you know. The cologne smell good. No, me not smell good. Me is going to smell good. Oh my god, now that it wearing down and oh, this smells good. Anyways, let's get into the unboxing. So this is a dye shampoo. So I'm hearing that it's the my problem is not here. When I'm dyeing, if I do dye my hair, if me no want to see the gray right here, so most time I just dye right here. That's what I do most time. I just dye right here. Me not dye nowhere else, just right here. So that's it. But anyway, I found this on TikTok and I said I'm going to try it because I heard good reviews. I heard good reviews from it, so I'm saying I'm going to try it. And it's in a nice box because I thought it would be small. You know, sometimes they advertise the stuff on Amazon or Shein or any site, and sometimes it looks so huge, but when you get it, you're like, huh? I didn't know that it was this small. It was this small? Like, what? I pay much money for this and it's this small, but this is huge, so this will serve me pretty long. And it's not like I'm going to every wash every wash day I'm going to use it. No, I'm not. I'm gonna practice. Yeah, dye my ear like that. When we're ready, use the gray ear, then make them stay. But may I get little gray right here, so I'm like one top here, so. Right, let's open this. How to use step 1, please keep your hair dry before use. Okay, then push the button until the outflow of shampoo. Wear gloves first and mix the shampoo evenly on your hand till the shampoo got a bit foam. Massage the hair gently from roots to tip until the lather is warm. Massage and keep it on here about 5 to 10 minutes. Step 4, rinse off your hair with clean water every 10 to 15 days. Use for more lasting hair effect. Okay. Jesus Christ. Sorry. But my almost mash up with something. Okay, it comes with this. Let me get this. Sorry if you're bad out, goddamn. So, but me I said, Lord, me buy it and it mash up. It break up anyway. It's still in good contact. It sees really, it come really nicely packaged. And I'm loving it. So yeah, and it's a really good size. This is going to serve me long, because when me buy dye serve me long, 3 more years. As I said before, I do not practice and dye my ear. When I'm ready, me leave my gray, make them gray. And it comes with these little, I think these are gloves. I should think so. These are maybe gloves. So yeah. So next is this. So everybody I talk about this flavor particularly. Some people I hear mix and like negative review and positive reviews. So but most persons are saying this smells good. So I was like, I'm going to try this one and see. So I got it. I was going to buy it here where I'm at, but One of these is $20. One of these in the Bahamas is $20. Like, when I go online, it's $8 and some cents. Like, what? So I went online and I bought it because if I did buy it for $20, that could give me two. So I bought this one and I can't wait to try it out. It's a 24-hour moisture body lotion, vanilla cashmere, 7 nourishing oils, butters, soothing protection for dry skin. I don't really have dry skin, but I buy it for the scent. It smells good. Yep. And now about us, I heard about this. So I want a white girl me see on TikTok. Once I hear something on TikTok, I see them pan, I go on Amazon and I say, oh, let me go try. See the price, cause one thing about me, I go shop on a budget. Me not spend no money on nothing. So, okay, the wrong way me I pull this already. Like, are you serious? Let me put this back. So, this is a perfume oil. I think it's a perfume oil. So this is it. I don't even know what it means. Remember what it means, you know? Concentrate perfume. Al-Riab. I think it's this one me I talk about. Al-Riab, no, it's not that one. That one name lots of whatever. But this one saying Al-Riab. 6 milliliter. So this is how small it is. Let me open it. Let's get the scent. Oh, like this. It is a vanilla scent like this, and this will go well. It smells good. And my cologne still a kick. Me still a smell it on me. I put this on this hand. So this and this will go well together. So yeah, the last and this one now. I've heard about this on TikTok. Most of these items are from TikTok. So I was like, I'm going to try because I don't like how my teeth them look. Yeah, this is a vanilla scent, like a strong vanilla scent. So yeah, oil pulling oil, whitening pulling oil, coconut oil pulling for teeth, fresh bread tooth cleaning, 100% natural and chemical free. So I heard about it, this brand, and I said I'm going to try it and see if my teeth can look any whiter instead of go pay $200 or I think it's $200 or something for clean my teeth here when I have it. Home remedy, me say? Home remedy me I'm going with, yeah. So if it works, trust me, if it works, I'll let you know. So now let's finish with the Amazon package. Now I'm going to go into my Shein haul. So this is our glasses. So I think these are the glasses where I heard my sister was talking to me about it, that I got one for my boys and I always said that I was going to get one for myself. So when they are watching anything on their phone or their computer, they can use these glasses because I think it protects the eyes. So I bought one for myself, and this is the shape I went with. How did it fit me? It fit me, guys. So this is the shape I went with, and I was like, okay, when me I watch my stuff, because me know I'm blind, so when me I watch my stuff, me use this. It won't clean too. Yeah, and I think it looks nice. I think the shapes look nice. Looks nice, yeah. Look nice for my big ones. Okay. So now these are what I saw. They were on sale on Shein. They are not thick because I have some and they are thick. This is not thick, but then can use it. So the body scrubber gloves. And how much are it coming in here? How much pair? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 pairs. So it's 5 pairs. So I have 5 pairs of them. And I got them in purple, green, pink, and yellow, blue. Yeah. This is a slipper. I buy this when I go home. I have slippers to wear because I don't think I have any slippers that I'm interested in wearing. So in the yard I could wear these. So I bought them. See if them fit. Yes, it fits perfectly. Yeah, what size was it? I remember what size, 40 to 41. Yeah. And I got them in black. On to the next. Okay. This is what you call it again? That thing that you do your to enhance your eyelash. So I saw it on Shein and I bought it. I think it was $1 something. If it's not $1 something, it's $2 something. So I buy them to try them. I don't know if I'm going to use them like that, but they say it make it thicker and looks long. So make the lash look thicker. I may already not have any. As you can see, no eyebrow, no eyelash. But I bought that. And this jewelry I bought on Shein also. So it's this and the ring. Yeah. Which finger I fit? Like saying that it will fit none of my finger. Well. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. So nice and simple. And when I buy these things, they serve me so long. When I didn't say it last now, you put them up carefully, you have them for years. I may have some of them by a long time from COVID time. I'm still have them. And this, I don't think they are real, but put them up carefully. Now me buy this. I bought this. It's I thought it was blush. It's not blush. It's not blush. Because I learned to apply makeup little by little, I'm not in the whole of makeup thing, because even if I do apply makeup, I don't want a lot on me. But it's not blush. Is that thing that you put over your eye. What's it name? My goodness. Eyeshadow. Yeah, it's eyeshadow and these are the colors. I don't know why I thought it was for blush, but it's not blush, it's for eyeshadow. I was like, I don't think I'm going to even use it, but yeah, I got this. And I think this was $1. $1, so I just bought it. So this, oh god, guys, this smell good. This still a kick. Still is kicking. Like, are you serious? I bought this. Yeah. I never used to into jewelry like that, but all of a sudden, to enhance my look, because I like to look very simple, but to enhance my look, I realized when I add like little jewelry pieces, I look so cute. So yeah, I bought those. As I said, they're not real, but if you put them up carefully, you'll have them for a long time. Next package. This purse. I want like a cheap purse. I think I $2 for the purse here, but I have a brown purse and I was like, I need a black purse. You know, I don't need Yeah, so this is how it looks. It's like a zip here, you have a zip here. You can put coins and stuff, but and it's so light, I don't think you can put too much stuff inside. So yeah, nice, simple, cute, on a budget. On a budget. Okay? Okay, now going to the bag. I bought these bags. They were on sale. I don't know. I don't have no big bag. I paid like a small bag I have, and I was like, I need some bag. Like if I go somewhere, I need to pack up little stuff in there. I have something to pack. You know, nice. Throw down my purse. Throw down this. Throw down that. I have it. So I bought this. This is a black, and it's a nice size. Does it have pockets? It just no pocket. Not it. It just yeah. Oh, well, a pocket is here. Oh, it's two pockets. Two pockets, one over this side, one over this side, and then you have the opening here. The back doesn't have a pocket, and the strap. So, and it looks really nice. I like it. Nice and simple. Next, this is another bag. Now, this is the brown. So, this not smell good. It not smell good. Anyway, at the first me I buy one Shein something and it smells this bad. Anyways, a pocket there, and then this one has zip. This just have a little opening like that, and yeah, this have little. I think this one have something in there. No, oh, you don't have nothing in there. Just chua. This not smell good, Shein. But it's nice. But may I put it back in the bag because the scent. May I put it back in the bag. But it's nice. Okay, now this is the bag that I'll be traveling home with. I'm not going to bother with a suitcase. I've watched this girl named Anisha Adams on YouTube, and she has a lot of travel vlogs, and I've watched her travel vlogs, and when I watch them I realized she used not actual suitcases, but these, is it duffel bags, but they can hold a lot of stuff, and you don't your suitcase, like your suitcase itself is heavy, and you add those items, the slippers, the whatever you're adding in there, your clothes and whatever, it kind of let it go over the pound, right? So that's it, where she use this kind of bag, and it holds way more. Now this is big, and plus this have wheels, like what? So I'm going to go with this, pack my stuff in this, and see how it goes, because I'm bringing home a lot of stuff. So I don't need a suitcase to be fancy. I'm going to go with this bag and pack my stuff in and see how it goes, because every time I go home, or I'm going home, traveling home, I have to pay for overweight. Like, what? And it's not no $20, no $30. I pay $50. The money that I pay, or $60. So the overweight. So I'm like, no. I'm going to try this out and see how it works. And that's the end of my haul. Look out for more hauls coming soon, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Mom and Twin Boys, and you'll see more videos like these in the next couple videos. Bye.